Hey guys, I'm back from my vacation and today I'm going to show you how I made this little cute Pokémon box. I've only been back for a few days, so I didn't have the time to do a bigger craft, and I actually got these really cute plastic Pokémon for free, so I decided I had to do something with them. Pikachu was actually still looking really good, so I didn't have to do a lot with them. Then Blastoise, it was looking good, but I decided I wanted his belly to be more yellow like the actual Pokemon, so that's what I'm going to change. Clefairy, on the other hand, was in a little worse shape. He didn't really have a face anymore, it was all rubbed off, and he was kind of rough, like there were still some bumps sticking out, so I'm going to change that. Well, for this I'm going to use these little paints and the tiniest brush I can find in my house. So I'm starting with Pikachu and just taking some red paint and making his cheeks a bit prettier again. Now for Clefairy, I just took some nail scissors to cut off the roughest edges. And then I'm taking a nail file and just filing it smoothly until the biggest bumps are gone. And now I'm taking some black paint and painting his ears. On to Blastoise. I started with filing his tummy because I was planning to paint that, and I read somewhere that if you file it the paint sticks better, but I'm not sure if it actually works. Then I just added a white base onto all the green parts that I was going to make yellow. While that was drying, I went on to Pikachu again, and I'm just painting his ears black as well. And I also used a brush to fill in the teeny tiny gaps in his eyes. I had to work really precisely, but I managed to fill them in.